Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up keep your EV battery healthy with scheduled charging, complete guide step by step clearly. To keep your electric vehicle battery healthy, start by understanding your battery's optimal charging range. Most electric vehicle batteries perform best when kept between 20% and 80% charged. First, check your vehicle's manual for specific battery care guidelines. Next, access your car's charging settings through the infotainment system or mobile app. Look for the option to schedule charging times. Set the charging start time for when your electricity rates are lowest, often during off-peak hours. Adjust the charging limit to maintain a maximum charge of around 80%. This preserves battery health and extends its lifespan. Consider setting a daily charging schedule if you drive regularly. If your EV has a preconditioning feature, enable it. This optimizes battery temperature before you begin driving. If you plan a longer trip, adjust the settings to allow a full charge of 100%. But limit this to just before you hit the road to prevent long-term stress on the battery. Monitor your battery's health using the vehicle app or dashboard alerts. Keep an eye on any notifications for unusual battery behavior. Plan to use public charging stations sparingly and only when necessary. Frequent fast charging can also impact battery longevity. Finally, stay informed about software updates from your EV manufacturer, as they can improve battery management features. Following these steps will help ensure your electric vehicle battery stays healthy and efficient for years to come. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.